Namaste and welcome to Learn Hindi with Reenu. This is a new series, 5 words every week. You will get 5 words every week with their meaning and sentences. I explain how to make sentence. Earlier we were doing 5 words every day, only the word meaning. But I thought that they should be explained actually. How can you use in the sentences? So that's why I am just starting this for every week 5 words, and this is the part 1. In this we will see the explanation too. So let's start. And if you didn't watch earlier, I did 5 words every day. Just go and watch. So let's start the new series. The first word is at. At. It means per and sometimes co. Per and co. For example, I am at home. Home is घर, at is per. I told you मैं हूँ. Okay, we did it in 10-minute series. So if you didn't watch, just go and watch. Please just understand the rules. I am at home. मैं घर पर हूँ. मैं घर पर हूँ. I will come at night. I will come, this is future tense. So will come will become आऊँगा. Come is आना, but in simple future will come together will become आऊँगा for masculine, आऊँगी for feminine. At night is रात को. मैं रात को आऊँगा और मैं रात को आऊँगी. At night रात को. With place per we will use per. Example at home घर पर. So with place at meaning per. For example घर पर. Okay, ठीक है. Next word is attempt. Attempt is a word that is feminine. Attempt is a word that is feminine. It means कोशिश or प्रयास. Sometimes we can say प्रयास. Attempt is कोशिश. Sometimes we can say प्रयास. So the word कोशिश in itself is feminine word. The fox attempted to catch the grapes. Grapes is अंगूर. Grapes अंगूर. Catch to catch is पकड़ना. To catch is पकड़ना. Attempted कोशिश. The fox is लोमड़ी. I discussed this story about the fox in one of my series. So if you want, you can go and listen that story in Hindi and English. The fox attempted to catch the grapes. Lomdi ne. So this is a simple past tense. Simple past tense. And in simple past tense, we usually add the word ne with the subject. Word ne with the subject. Lomdi ne. The fox, लोमड़ी ने अंगूर पकड़ने की. To catch the grapes. To catch the grapes. अंगूर पकड़ने की. Attempted कोशिश की. की is from something like simple present tense. If we did something, so it is किया or की, like that. So लोमड़ी ने अंगूर पकड़ने की कोशिश की. So about the tenses, while to use ne or ki, these things I am discussing step by steps in the 10-minute series. So you can follow that series to understand the rules better and the structure better. I am trying to explain few things here too. So लोमड़ी ने अंगूर पकड़ने की कोशिश की. The fox attempted to catch the grapes. Next word is attention. Attention. Attention is a word that means ध्यान. Dhyan. And this word is masculine itself. My attention wanders during class. My attention wanders during class. So my attention is मेरा ध्यान. मेरा ध्यान. Wanders is भटकता है. To wander is भटकना, but we will use भटकता है because simple present tense. भटकता है. During class ड्यूरिंग क्लास इज क्लास के दौरान. So during means दौरान. During means दौरान. Class is कक्षा, you can say class. So the sentence will be क्लास के दौरान, during the class, मेरा ध्यान भटकता है. मेरा ध्यान भटकता है. My attention wanders. क्लास के दौरान मेरा ध्यान भटकता है. और कक्षा के समय, दौरान कैन बी सेड एज समय. कक्षा के समय मेरा ध्यान भटकता है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज attentively. Attentively, ध्यान से. So this is an adverb, ध्यान से. So attention was there, and now we make adverb using that word attention. Adverb is ध्यान से. My son, listen the story attentively. My, मेरा, मेरे, मेरी. Son is beta because this is masculine, so I'll say मेरा बेटा. I elaborate this rule in 10-minute series while to use मेरा, मेरे और मेरी. So you can listen there, you can understand it better there. मेरा बेटा. कहानी, कहानी is story. कहानी is story. ध्यान से, attentively is ध्यान से. Listen, सुनता है because simple present tense, so we will say सुनता है. मेरा बेटा ध्यान से, मेरा बेटा कहानी ध्यान से सुनता है. And if it's बेटी, my daughter, so I'll say सुनती है for feminine. Fifth word is auto rickshaw. This is masculine word. Masculine word, auto rickshaw. Generally here in India we say tempo or sometimes we say auto. Auto, tempo, both are very familiar word. Auto, tempo. Auto rickshaw is a means of transport. Means of transport is transport का साधन. Transport का साधन, means of transport. Auto, tempo transport का साधन है. Auto या फिर you can say tempo. Auto transport का साधन है और tempo ट्रांसपोर्ट का साधन है. सो यू कैन से ऑटो, यू कैन से टेम्पो. ऑटो ट्रांसपोर्ट का साधन है, टेम्पो ट्रांसपोर्ट का साधन है. सो दिस इज हाउ वी डिस्कस दीज 5 वर्ड्स with their explanation, with their meaning, their sentence and how to use that. And this series will be continued, and every week you will get these 5 words with explanation. So if you didn't subscribe the channel, just go and subscribe, press the bell icon too. If you have any query and if you like the video, you can comment in the comment box, and you can ask anything in the comment box related to video. I'll reply. So thank you very much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. See you again. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.